Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We will need a screwdriver and the new capping. First, we center the print head and turn off the printer. We unscrew the screws on the side cover to gain access. We unscrew the capping. Once unscrewed, we remove the tubes from the capping. We attach the new capping to the tubes and position it correctly. We screw it in place. We reattach and close the side cover. Finally, we turn on the printer.